You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of the city or city in the Netherlands. If you want to learn more names of famous cities and more Dutch pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll want to learn from. In Dutch, for reference, the pronunciation is as Maastricht. Maastricht. Okay, now in English, the standard regular acknowledged as correct pronunciation is as Maastricht, alright, with a K sound like a K, Maastricht. Now, some may pronounce it as Maastricht, which is kind of mimicking a bit more the Dutch pronunciation because this sound in English doesn't exist. So it's not incorrect to say Maastricht, but in Dutch, Maastricht, Maastricht, or in English, Maastricht, Maastricht. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.